Hi, my name is Harkirat Teja, and I'm a lawyer at Dentons, part of the firm's Wills and Estates team, and I have a passion for helping families. I specialize in estate planning, which includes drafting wills, power of attorneys, personal directives, prenup agreements, and estate litigation, and adult guardianship and trusteeship matters. Today, I'll talk about power of attorneys. An enduring power of attorney is a document wherein you appoint somebody to manage your finances and property in the event that you are unable to do so yourself. There are two types of power of attorney. The first one is called a springing power of attorney, which means that you sign it now, but it won't come into effect until a doctor declares you incapable of managing your own finances. These type of power of attorneys are for most adults who don't require any assistance with their finances now, but they want to ensure that they are prepared if something was to happen to them in the future, or if they lost capacity or needed assistance when they get older. The second type of power of attorney is an immediate power of attorney. This document comes into effect as soon as it is signed and allows the person you have appointed to assist you with your finances right away. The person you appoint in a power of attorney is called an attorney. Now, I appreciate that this word is very confusing because this person that you're going to appoint is not a lawyer, is not required to be a lawyer. It is just a person that you choose to manage your property and finances in the document. When thinking of who you should appoint as your attorney, you want to think about firstly people who you can trust, and then choose somebody who is organized, task-oriented, and who is going to be able to take on the responsibilities such as paying your bills, filing your taxes, applying for disability insurance, selling your house if need be, taking care of your vacation property, managing your bank account, working with your investment advisor, and all of your financial affairs that could be very unique to you. You can appoint one or more people to be your attorney in your power of attorney document, and you can either instruct them to work jointly or jointly and severally, which means they can work together or independently on your behalf as they see fit. For a power of attorney, it is sometimes a good idea to appoint more than one person because it adds that extra layer of protection to ensure that your attorney is managing the finances properly and honestly. Having a power of attorney is especially important if you have business interests that you need to look after, or if you want your attorney to be able to utilize your resources, your funds, to support your spouse, your children, or anyone else who depends on you if something was to happen to you. So for clarity, if you do not have a power of attorney and you are over the age of 18, then no one will have the authority to take care of your property and finances for you in the event you were incapable of taking care of your property and finances yourself. Have you ever tried calling the bank without your secret PIN, your great-grandmother's birthday, or the color of your first car? They will not talk to you if you don't answer all their questions, even if you screamed at the top of your lungs that it is you calling. So they are definitely not going to talk to your spouse or your mother on your behalf unless you told them in a legal document to do that. So it's very important not only for you to ensure that you have your power of attorney in place, but to ensure that your loved one has their power of attorney in place as well. Because if they don't, you're going to end up dealing with a lot of nays from financial institutions, service providers, including utility companies and even telecom companies as well. To learn more about powers of attorney or get one in place, please give us a call and we'll help you out. If you want to learn about how to appoint somebody to make personal and healthcare decisions for you in the event that you were incapacitated, then check out our video on personal directives. Thank you.